Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, an automotive masterpiece that fuses heritage, performance, and pure artistry, the 2025 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling sculpture that pays tribute to Alfa Romeo's legendary past while pushing the boundaries of modern engineering. Underneath its sculpted, aerodynamic body lies a heart that beats with passion. The 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine produces an astonishing 620 horsepower, launching the Stradale from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. For those craving electric innovation, Alfa Romeo also offers a fully electric variant delivering 750 horsepower with a range of up to 280 miles, a bold statement of performance in the EV era. Driving the 33 Stradale isn't just about raw speed, it's about precision. Every curve of its carbon fiber chassis and every shift of its dual-clutch transmission is engineered for perfect harmony between car and driver. With its finely tuned suspension and adaptive aerodynamics, it handles like a dream, balanced, aggressive, yet effortlessly refined. And then there's the design, pure Italian elegance. The signature butterfly doors open to reveal a cabin that's both minimalist and luxurious, with premium Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and an aircraft-inspired cockpit layout that immerses the driver in every moment of the journey. Inside, the focus is entirely on the experience, no massive screens, just a driver-centric digital cluster that keeps your attention where it belongs, on the road. And when you're not chasing speed, you'll appreciate the meticulously crafted details, from hand-stitched leather to brushed aluminum accents. Production is limited to just 33 units worldwide, making this a rare collector's gem. Each owner will collaborate directly with Alfa Romeo's design team, personalizing every detail to their liking. It's not just a car, it's a bespoke work of art. Pricing? If you have to ask, this car might not be for you. But reports suggest a starting price north of $1.5 million. For those lucky enough to own one, the 2025 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in automotive history. Thanks for watching.